Welcome to my tutorial. In my previous tutorial, I discussed how we can manually calculate simple linear regression. In this tutorial, I want to make use of Microsoft Excel to calculate our simple linear regression. Why is it called simple linear regression? Because it has one response or dependent variable and one explanatory variable or independent variable. And in doing so, we come here to the topmost part of the Microsoft Excel. We check from home, insert, draw, page layout, formula. Then on this data, we click on it. It has already been clicked on. Then we come to the far right hand corner here on data analysis. Click on it. After clicking on it, since we are dealing with regression, the regression has been, we have so many analysis to covariant, descriptive, statistics. It depending on what you want to do, it is when you select it. Then here we want to conduct simple linear regression. You click on it, then you click OK. Then another dialog box will come out for us. So firstly, let us remove all these ranges. Then here, now we have two ranges: input range, input y range, which is this response variable, then input x range. The first thing to do here is to input this y range, which is the response variable. You click on it, then you drag it down. Then after input the range, then you come to the input x range. You click on it, then you drag it down as well. Now, since we know our label to be xy, in order for this x to appear and the output, you click on it. If you want confidence interval, you click on it, but due to the linear regression that we want to consider only, we don't need to click on this confidence level. Then where do we want our output code to come out? So we will select where we want our output to come out by clicking here, this up arrow. So it's going to let our output to come out here. We want our output to be here. Then this is it. This is the output. Then you click down arrow again. It's going to take us back to the main dialog box. Then the next thing for us to do is to click OK. This is our output. This is the slope. Whatever happens to this slope is going to have direct effect on the response variable, and this is our intercept. In the manual analysis, this intercept is a beta null, while this slope x, let me change it. You can write it to be slope. This is slope, which is this variable x. So whatever happens to this explanatory variable is going to have direct effect on the response variable. Although the interpretation has been presented in my previous tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you find value in this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.